Departing shortly will be the 0859 East Midlands Railway service to London to Pancras. 43238 will be taking away this service. Incoming now, we receive it 0907 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield.
Incoming now, we have the 0907 Railway service to Sheffield. I do believe this will be 222-004. Oh, no, 002.
222 002.
Oh, I know what that is. That's a shed.
Yeah, that's definitely a shed.
Now we have a GBR 66 running from Peterborough to Leicester LIP. Ah, the good old 66.
'66 7
705.
705.
Yeah, I think that's all that'll be reversing through to Leicester LIP.
Departing now is the 0907 East Midlands Railway service from London to Pancras to Sheffield. 222 002.
Excuse me, did you get the 37 that went that way?
No.
I'm afraid, sadly not. We just came in on the HST.
Yes, I did too.
Departing now, we have 222 with the 0907 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield from London. And that's it.
Hello and welcome back to another video by me, East Midlands Railway fan, and today I am at Leicester again, situated on the middle of the main line. We'll be seeing services from East Midlands Railway and cross country, and with any luck some freight as well.
That's a nice little taxi service, isn't it?
Yeah. I promise it wasn't me.
Oh, you couldn't. There's Rule Britannia as an ice cream truck. What in the hell? An ice cream truck blaring Rule Britannia. I thought I'd heard and seen it all. But now a flippin' ice cream truck is like Rule Britannia.
But 66 is off again. We should get a tone.
I was really interested in the 58 V3. And there are also some 56s, 57s. So probably some 36.
Let's just put it to your imagination to see what's in Leicester, both sidings.
There's not much compared to usual.
There's a few 91s, there's an 82, there's a 43, there's a 58, a 56, a 47, a 58, and including the shed. Incoming now, we see the 0818 East Midlands Railway, service from Sheffield to London to Pancras.
Not the 0818, that's the EMRF said.
We'll never guess what it is again. Yes, it's a Meridian. Double 004. And incoming now, we see a terminating. Incoming now, we see a terminating cross-country service from Gloucester. And incoming now, we see a terminating service from Sleaford to. From Sleaford.
Yeah, it's a 158.
Okay, do you know what the number is?
No. I just think like the stuff on the street. Oh! Wasn't expected to see that shifted. Actually, no, Leicester like the Derby. I shall take a 56, will you?
Yep.
I'll try to get tied through. Whereas anything now will have a terminating use of $1.8
158.
Where just the 004 is now off to the north of London. It's 846. Just 846.
158 846 is brought in a terminating service on Sleaford. And if memory serves, this goes back to Sleaford. Triple 2 is off. I have no idea why I said triple two. I was about to say 22104.
Oh, look, 250. Oh, I love the colour games in that corner.
56. 56 double. Yep, 098.
It should hit the
6098 should be off to Derby Electric Train. Yep.
Hopefully, hang on. That is back in Leicester, I think.
Departing now is B0926 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln. Oh, 0930. 158 846 has departed with the 0930 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln.
And that's 66750 still.
66750.
What is going on in there? Is that 3 or 4 wagons? Can't tell. What are they for?
56098 is back out again.
Giant crow white boat,
Yep.
I wonder what I've done for them. I wanted 56.
In terms of the clock, I would go with the 56.
Also, just in terms of character. I'm not running 56 on that. Yeah.
Starting shortly should be 156408 on the 1030 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central.
Railway service to Lincoln. This is of course this is of course our old friend the chum bucket that is 156408. Hey, we'll be overtaking this thing later, won't we?
Yep. Land.
Well, we'll either be overtaking it or we'll be meeting it at Nottingham.
We'll be overtaking it. We'll be overtaking it, but that has priority over us when we get to EMP.
That's just sad, isn't it? A local stopper from Leicester to Lincoln has priority over an intercity service from London.
After EMP, though.
Yeah, that's just sad.
Incoming now, we have a 10:35 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield.
Service to Sheffield.
From London to Pancras.
Of course it's from London. Where else would it be from? Kidderminster. Why was Kidderminster the first thing that pops into my mind?
I don't know. You're an idiot.
Yes, I am.
And that's basically, yeah.
Like legit. Why Kidderminster? Oh, okay. I was just pulling.
Departing now is a 10:35 East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. I don't know why I was about to say London to Pancras, Ben. Oh well, I'm an idiot.
Complete wrong way. This is 222
008, and as this continues onwards, we shall leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you do what YouTubers tell you to do, and we shall see you next time for trams at Toton Lane.